Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do a left slanting decrease in brioche knitting. So it involves 3 stitches. 2 of the stitches are decreased and 1 stitch will remain working and continue across your front of your work while the other 2 stitches are decreased in behind it. So how we do that is I have some yarn here. I'm going to brioche knit over to where we want to do our decrease. So for example, if the pattern calls for brioche left slanting decrease now, this stitch is the one that will ride on top and slant to the left, while the following 2 stitches are the stitches that are decreased. And how we do that is we slip the first brioche stitch knitwise, knit the following stitch, then we're going to place this following stitch onto the left hand needle and pass the next or the following brioche stitch over that knit stitch. Then we're going to place that back onto the right hand needle and pass the very first slipped brioche stitch over that knit stitch. So we've effectively decreased the 2 following stitches, and our first slip stitch now is over the knit stitch and slants to the left. So if you want to see that again, I'll just work over, say to the next, here we go. So again, it involves 3 stitches. This stitch here is the one that will end up being the one on top, and the following 2 stitches are the 2 that are decreased. So what we do, again, slip the first brioche stitch knitwise, knit the following stitch, place that knit stitch back onto the left hand needle, and then pass over the following brioche stitch over, it's getting a little tangled here, over that knit stitch, and then place that knit stitch back onto the right hand needle and pass over the very first slipped brioche stitch over that knit stitch, and there we have our left slant again decrease, and the other 2 stitches are behind it that were decreased, and this guy slants to the left. And that is how we do a brioche left slant decrease.